they need to remember, gosh, that Mary Roach is a heck of a writer. I'm going to go buy all of her books. Not at a used bookstore either, mind you, full price, hardback possibly. No. I would just hope to impart some, first of all, I want it to be fun. You know, it's a fun and exciting day. It's a convocation day. It's here you are, you're in college, and that's an exciting and wonderful thing, and I'm happy to be a part of it. And I'm always trying to impart the message that science is not just interesting, but fun, and that people who go into science are guaranteed, I feel, to have an endlessly interesting, varied, and fascinating life. So really, honestly, scientists and engineers have all the fun.
We thought Mary Roach was the perfect fit for Convocation this year because she writes about science in a really humorous way. She really infuses her hilarious sense of humor in everything she does. And we think that makes science really accessible to everyone, which is, of course, something we really value here at Clarkson. Mary has a new book out this year called Gulp, and it's the science of the alimentary canal, which is the digestive system. She's written other books, Spook, about the afterlife, Bonk, which is the science of sex, and of course Packing for Mars, which is the science of space exploration.
Packing for Mars was particularly satisfying in that it was an area that I had no familiarity with any of the challenges and the issues, so it was like going back to school for me. I mean, every book is to a certain extent, but that one was just the people that I met at NASA and elsewhere were just fascinating, committed, smart people, and you get to spend a couple of years with folks like that. It's a real privilege. I would say just take pride in being a geek, because geeks rule, and I actually think the word geek has come around to being a positive thing, and there's a sort of a whole geek culture, and it's positive, and it's cool to be an engineer and to know this stuff, and so never ever be embarrassed to say I'm an engineer. I don't know why anybody would, but you know, when I was growing up, there was sort of a sense of, oh, engineering, you know, it would be boring, and which it couldn't be farther from the truth. So embrace your inner geek. You're off on an amazing journey of discovery and fun, and so enjoy it. I went to a college of a similar size, and it's to make those connections with the people who teach, with the faculty and the staff, is tremendously important, and that's something that happens at a university of this size. So that's one thing that sounds pretty optimal about it. Also, it's just a really beautiful campus and an adorable little town, and what a great place to spend 4 years.